Good morning, friends. It's Miss Thompson. Wanted to pop on today to do a quick review of your letters and letter sounds. So let's get started. So I need your help first. We're going to go through the whole alphabet and just practice our letter name and their sound. Are you ready? Okay. First, we have A, apple. B, bat. C, cat. D, dog. E, egg. Good job. Let's go on to the next couple letters. F, fun. G, game. H, hat. I, itch. J, jug. Nice job. Let's keep going. K, kite. L, lamp. M, man. N, nut. And O, octopus. Couple more. P, pan. Q, queen. R, rat. S, snake. T, top. Good job, everybody. I hope you're practicing with me. Next, we have U, up. V, van. W, wind. X, exit. Y, yellow. And last but not least, Z, zebra. Nice job. So if you practiced all of those with me, now I need your help to sound out some words. Can you help me with that? So first, what is that? It's a dog. Can you guys help me sound that out? D, g. What letter sound do we hear first? D. What letter is that? D. If you said D, you're right. D. D. What letter is that? Oh, good job. And what's our last letter sound? D, g. Dog. I hear G at the end. G. D, g. Dog. Good job, friends. Good sounding it out. Let's try another one. Ooh, that's called a van. It's a special type of car. What does that start with? What letter says You said V. You're right. What letter says What letter says N? Sound it out with me. Van. I think we're right. Good job, friends. What animal is that? That's called a fox. Can you sound that out with me? Ox. What sound do we hear first? I hear F. Oh, we had that one earlier. What letter is that? O. You're right. O says What's our last letter? X. You're right. That's X. Fox. Good. F-O-X. Nice job, friends. Let's try this one. I like candy. What color is that candy? It's red. Let's sound that out. red, red. What letter says R? You're right. What about What letter says E? Nice job. And last, D. What letter says D? Nice job. Sound it out with me. D. Red. Nice job, friends. Last word. Oh, this one's our trickiest one. That little boy is making a wish on his birthday cake. Can we sound out the word wish? Okay, let's start. W-I-S-H. Ooh. What letter says ooh? W, you're right. I. What letter says I? Nice job. And last, I hear with sh. I think that's a digraph. That's one of those sound pairs. What two letters say sh? S, H. So we have w-I-sh. SH together says sh. W-I-sh. Wish. Nice job, friends. That was awesome work. Kiss your brains for doing hard work with me. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you later.